With SimLab Composer, you can now embed an AI API key directly into your VR experience, eliminating the need for each individual user to set up their own key. By assigning a dedicated API key from OpenAI, Gemini, or OpenRouter, the key becomes part of the experience itself. This ensures seamless AI integration and allows your experience to function out of the box, with no additional configuration required from the user. First, to set up an AI agent inside the experience, open SimLab Composer, go to the Interaction section, and click AI Agent. In the window that appears, name the agent, write its instructions, and assign a string variable that stores the AI conversation. Next, open the Training Builder, and from the Events section, add a Scene Start event. Right-click to open the search window, go to Responses, then AI Agent, then click on Set AI Key, then choose the provider and paste the API key. Then connect it to the Scene Start event so the key is initialized as soon as the experience begins. After that, add a Set AI Agent model node from the same section. Select the AI agent you created earlier, then specify the provider and model you want it to use. This ensures the agent is ready to respond as soon as the scene starts. Now, this experience has its own API key and can function independently of the viewer's setup.